So my name is Jimmy van der Wegen, and I am sales manager at the business unit Electrification and Automation. And I'm going to present for you our power automation highlights. What we are showing here on the booth during this week is related to three main customer challenges. The first customer challenge we are going to speak about is how can we speed up the project realization time? Because we know that in the story of the energy transition, the bottleneck is the grids. Our customers have to expand the network in a short time frame to accommodate the growing electricity demand and the integration of renewable energy sources. And it's not only about new substations, it's also about existing substations where we have aged infrastructure that has to be modernized. The second topic we are focusing on has to do with maintenance and diagnostics. Those tasks, troubleshooting and maintenance, can be really time-consuming and very complex. So our customers are looking for solutions and tools that can help them with proactive maintenance, minimize the outages in the network, and do proactive maintenance activities. And finally, the third focus point is grid cybersecurity. We are living in a world that gets more and more digitized, also in our business. But the digitized critical infrastructure have to be protected against cybersecurity threats. And at the same time, our customers have to comply with evolving cybersecurity regulations. So those challenges, we are responding to those challenges here during the CIGRE session during this week with 7 solutions. For the first solution, this is about our universal protection device with function point manager in a process bus solution. You can see it indeed over there. And so with the universal protection relay, you can buy the hardware for all kinds of protection application. You buy it together with an amount of function points. You can install it in panels. And when the software team is ready with the configuration, you can put the right configuration in the relay by changing the function points into protection applications. So by this, you win time in the project realization. The second solution is a package of virtualized software solutions. We have our digital twin, which is a digital replica, virtual replica of our C-Protect protection relay that you can use to test on beforehand, even before you buy the equipment, or during the engineering phase, or before you go on site for the time-consuming commissioning and maintenance activities. You can test everything on beforehand in the cloud. A second solution we are developing is the virtualized central protection solution, where you would even not need physical protection relays anymore. It will be protection applications that you can put on a server in a redundant and secure setup. And also with our SICAM 8, our new automation system based on Linux operating system, we have developed a virtualized testing solution to speed up the testing and to combine the real and the digital world. A third package of solutions you can see over there is the Electrification X, which is the umbrella name for our package of IoT solutions that we are offering as a service. We have an asset management system and patch management system called OT Companion. We have fault management system for quick fault clearance, and we have SIEM as the intrusion detection system to avoid cybersecurity threats and to respond to them. Fourth solution consists on using the technology of traveling wave, which is a technology for precise fault localization, specifically on very high voltage transmission lines or overhead lines or cables. The more precise you can identify the fault, the quicker you can also repair the problem. Then the cybersecurity, we are approaching the cybersecurity in a holistic way. That means we don't look only on the product level, where in our Ciprotec relays and the SICAM 8 automation system, we are incorporating the latest cybersecurity regulations, but we are also looking at system level, conceptual level, like we have with GridPass, the certification management system, which is becoming more and more mandatory according to the regulations. And we have our RegitCom switches also foreseen with the necessary security features like the layer 2 data encryption. The sixth solution is more for the medium voltage network. So this is a multi-purpose automation box. And multi-purpose, it means can be used for different purposes, like can be used as a bridge between the electrical assets and a control system to transfer data. You can use it as a gateway to transfer the data to our IoT portfolio over there, to the OT companion asset management system, for example. Or you can use it for the microgrid controlling or as a photovoltaic controller. You can see the box. There's an RTU installed. Everything is pre-wired, pre-configured, ready to be installed. And in the door here, you could add an HMI as well. And then finally, we have our telecommunication product PowerLink IP that you can see on this wall over there. So the PowerLink IP is an equipment for transferring data and voice over the high voltage overhead lines. We adapted this equipment to be ready for digital substations using IP interfaces, and it still has an integrated teleprotection device. It is a convenient equipment often used as backup to fiber optic solutions. And finally, what I want to say to end is that we have been writing different papers. So these are our 10 papers that we have been writing for the B5 study committee. This is the study committee for protection automation. So this afternoon from 2 o'clock on, our experts will be in the post session. And as you can see, all those papers are related to the topics I just spoke about. For that, you need a delegate pass. If you don't have a delegate pass, but nevertheless you would like to speak about it, please contact me or any Siemens colleague here on the booth, and we can arrange a meeting for you. Thank you very much for your attention.